In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Webex to Outlook. This quick and simple guide will walk you through the entire process so you can start scheduling meetings more efficiently and keep everything organized in one place. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. You can use any browser you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another option. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Outlook, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Microsoft Outlook link to proceed to the sign-in page. When the Outlook page loads, enter your login details carefully to access your account. Make sure your credentials are correct, and if your account has an additional verification step, complete it to continue. After signing in successfully, you will be taken to your Outlook dashboard, where you can manage your emails and calendar. Next, look toward the top area of the screen. You should see an icon that represents apps, often displayed as a small grid near your profile section. Click on this icon, and a menu will appear. From that menu, select the option that allows you to get add-ins. This section is where you can explore and install tools that expand Outlook's features. A new window or panel will appear with a search field. In that search bar, type in Webex add-in, making sure the spelling is accurate so you can find the correct result. After entering the search term, press Enter and wait for the results to load. Once the results are displayed, find the Webex add-in in the list. You will see an option to add it next to the listing. Click on that option to begin installing the add-in. The system will take a few moments to complete the process, depending on your internet connection, but it usually finishes quickly. After the installation is complete, a confirmation message will appear, indicating that the add-in has been successfully added. At this point, Webex is now integrated into your Outlook account, allowing you to schedule and manage meetings directly from your calendar. And that's everything you need to do. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.